I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the physical path right. Plug Starlink's adapter into the Mikrotik WAN port, power both devices, and open Winbox or WebFig. Once done, log into the Mikrotik and change the admin password immediately so you don't lose control. Make sure you can ping the Starlink gateway IP. That verifies basic reachability. While you're here, set the Mikrotik router identity and time zone so logs and certificates will behave predictably later. Now configure the Mikrotik WAN as a DHCP client so Starlink assigns IP and DNS automatically. This simplifies updates and IP changes. Once the lease is active, add a masquerade NAT rule on the WAN interface to translate local LAN addresses for internet access. If you need direct access to Starlink's LAN tools, add a static route for the 192, 168, 100, 0/24 network pointing to the WAN gateway. This preserves reachability to the dish without breaking general routing. Finish by setting up your LAN subnet and DHCP server on the bridge or LAN interface, forwarding DNS queries to the WAN-assigned servers for reliability. Harden the firewall, accept established and related, drop invalid, and only allow management from a secure admin subnet. Once configured, test internet access by pinging 8 and resolving a domain. If things fail, a key troubleshooting tip: temporarily connect a laptop directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.